Here, take my...
First fish of the trip. What time is it?
It's the one that bit my hook up, took my worm off. Oh yeah, I bet you.
7:15. First fish.
Little bitty one. Little bitty large. Little bitty bucket mouth.
No doubt.
You get close up?
No. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Dinner is served, buddy.
DL with the fish. Unhooking.
This is the first fish I ever caught with this lure too.
I know it. That's
I
the
bought
old.
this one at, just this year.
Oh, Dwayne's gonna get hooked. In the old Kerr Canal. I've been swimming right in this spot.
Man, we gotta get the basket out.
You got it, man.
Come on, hurry up. Don't hurt no one.
I'm not trying to hurt you.
Hold him up, man. Let's make sure. 12 inches. We can keep him.
High score, buddy.
No doubt.
High score.
But today, that's the biggest one, too. Dwayne hung him.
Son, that's the biggest one yet.
Is it?
Can you see him in the water? That's the biggest one yet, I think.
Bring him in. Will you lose him? Oh my God.
Fatty boy.
That's gonna be good eating.
Stump.
Here we are back at Lake Kerr. What time is it?
15 till 9.
15 till 9. Fishing for shell crackers. Butta Bean didn't have it in 5, not even 2 minutes. And he caught the first one. Look at that, Jesse. Man, he is huge.
I finally put Dwayne on some fish.
Look at the shell cracker.
The famous Herschel Thornton spot. Hold him up. I can't see him. Hold him up here in the light.
What up?
Dwayne with the big fish, too.
He is
Big old shell cracker. I caught the first one. He caught the second one. I think we're finna load the boat up. If we got enough worms.
Where's our thing at?
Hold him, little hook, baby. Yes, sir. Woo. Thornton comes through. Hey, yes, sir. Nice little one. Son.
Butta Bean caught a fat bass.
Shoal.
Yeah.
Shoal bass up in Florida.